Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to go over a super quick video, just a 2-line change. So if you want to make TMs reusable in the game so that they are not erased, you go to source, partymenu.c, you scroll down to 4817. It might be a little different if the repo's been updated, but you take out these 2 lines. If the item is less than item HMO1 cut, remove bag item, which just is when you learn a move. This is the task that makes you learn a move. When you learn that move, it removes the item from your bag if it's not an HM, basically. That's all it does, and if we take it out, then it doesn't remove the item from your bag. So if we save and then we compile, it's not going to remove the item from our bag. Now I have a setup here where I have gotten a TM here, and I'm going to teach it to my mudkip. We're going to teach this mudkip Ice Beam, and then look, Ice Beam's still here, it's not gone. And it's as simple as that. It's just pulled from the simple modifications directory, which is on Poke Community, and I'll link in the description. And there are tons of little quick modifications like this that you can quickly make to your game, little features that you probably will want to add like this, that, you know, just make the quality of life of your game a lot better. So, you know, just a 2-line change, and you already have reusable TMs, that's all it takes. So that's what I'm going to end the video on. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them here or in the Discord. Otherwise, we will see you on the next one.